It took me less than an hour to make over $240 using ChatGPT for free. You see, ChatGPT is this free online software with over 200 million monthly active users worldwide. But most beginners don't realize that they can use it to make money online. So, in this step-by-step tutorial, I want to boil down what I believe could be the easiest ChatGPT side hustle. And don't worry, I don't have a course to sell you at the end. Everything I share today is completely free. Step number 1, we first want to go to ChatGPT and create an absolutely free account there. You can do this by entering an email address or by signing up with Google, Microsoft, or Apple. When you create an account on chatgpt.com, this is how everything is going to look like. ChatGPT operates in a way where you have to give it specific instructions called prompts. Essentially, prompts are the way we communicate with ChatGPT, directing it to perform specific tasks or generate particular types of content. For example, I can give it a prompt like, write a carrot recipe without sugar, and in seconds it's going to start writing this entire recipe for me because I gave it a specific prompt. The better and more detailed the prompt, the better and more detailed the results you get. Some people are even selling these detailed prompts for better results on platforms like PromptBase. I actually spent over $200 buying prompts from websites like these, and I want to give them away to you for free so that you don't have to spend money. Step number 3. You're going to use this prompt that I'm going to share with you for free. You can just copy and paste it, either changing the variables in the brackets or in the green text, and paste it into ChatGPT. Then just press enter. In seconds, you'll get a full step-by-step guide on whatever it is that you're trying to create. In this case, I'm creating a full step-by-step guide on how to grow on YouTube fast. You can see how detailed this is going to be. Next up, we're going to use a platform that I personally signed up for a few years ago. So far, I have over $894,000 in total sales with it. The platform in question is Teachable at Teachable.com. This is a platform where people are selling all sorts of digital products. Just click on Start for Free, then enter your full name, email address, and password, and click Create an Account. For the next step, you want to find a software that you can promote as an affiliate. One of the networks where you can find software to promote is PartnerStack. Sign up for free by pressing the Get Started button, and you can find a bunch of software in the marketplace. For example, I found a tool that helps creators on YouTube get more views, and they have an affiliate program, so I would click and sign up now. So far, I've already made over $500 with this program, but there are many other options available in PartnerStack's marketplace. Just promote them as an affiliate. If you don't want to promote any software companies, you could also sign up for the Audible affiliate program. It's even easier to monetize because they pay you $5 for every single free book that you give away. Audible is an Amazon company where people can find a bunch of books. For example, if I want to find a cooking book, I can search for cooking, and there will be a ton of books to promote. Someone can try a book for free, and I will still get paid $5 as an affiliate. If they end up buying any books, I get $10 as well. If I want to find something related to YouTube, I can search for YouTube, and I'll find books like YouTube Formula to promote and get paid $5. Besides that, you could also build an actual store with products you don't even have to own yourself. If you go over to Kit, you can click on the plus icon to create your own kit from scratch. Next up, go back to ChatGPT and make some visual graphs to make your entire PDF guide a little more attractive and detailed. I'm asking ChatGPT to make a visual graph of overall yearly earnings growth on YouTube from 2018 to today. As you can see, in seconds, we get an entire visual graph showing significant growth from 2019 to today. For the very next step, I'm going to go to Google Docs, click on Blank Document, and start copy-pasting everything that ChatGPT has generated for me so far. First, I'll copy the full step-by-step guide and paste it here. I can change colors and fonts as desired. I can also either download the graph or take a screenshot, then go back to Google Docs and insert the image. I'll keep adding charts to make the PDF guide look more attractive and detailed. Now I'm going to click here to title the document. More importantly, click on File, then Download, and choose PDF Document. Now we're ready to launch this PDF document as a digital product. Just remember, this is the formula we're using to launch any digital product. Think about how it solves a problem for someone. For example, I help faceless creators make $10,000 a month by creating problem-solving communities. Or, I help people with a drinking problem to stop drinking by following the Safari formula. Whatever it might be, use this formula and apply it to the problem you're solving. Now, go back to Teachable, scroll down to Digital Downloads, and click Create right over here. Give your product a name, which you can copy from the PDF document and paste it here. The description of the product can also be taken from ChatGPT. Select the category. Here it will be an ebook, and continue. For the image, go back to Canva, search for ebook covers, and you'll find various templates you can customize. Once you're satisfied with the design, click Share, then Download, and save as a PNG file. Go back to Teachable, upload the image, click Continue, set a price, and add the PDF document. Once uploaded, click Continue, and you're ready to go live with this one. If you don't want to sell it, there's another option. Go to upforever.net. This platform pays people when someone downloads their files, with payments ranging from $1 to $3 repeatedly. Sign up, enter your details, and click Sign Up. Then, click Upload Files, drag and drop your PDF file. Click Start the upload, and it will load on the platform. You'll get a special link, and if someone downloads the PDF, you get paid. You could also build a community on a platform like School. People are making significant money from their online communities. For example, some are earning over $100,000 a month. You can build a community around a specific topic, like how to grow on YouTube, and charge a monthly fee. Lastly, I recommend using external platforms to get free traffic. Pinterest.com is a great option with 800 million visitors per month. You can build an account focused on a specific niche and create pins using Canva to promote your digital products or affiliate links. For example, this Pinterest account has 10 million monthly views and promotes various links. You can build a similar account, create pins, and use them to drive traffic to your digital products. I've also built a free blueprint that shows a step-by-step process for launching your Pinterest account to get traffic and sales. You'll find all of this for free inside our community. Just go to the description box below. For more on how I personally make money online without showing my face, click the box on the screen now. It's an absolutely free tutorial that dives deeper into this business model. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and press the bell icon for more videos like this.